And the past couple of years we've done a number of things to address the issue of food waste on campus. Several years ago I wrote a SWAP grant, a Solid Waste Alternative Program grant to the Iowa Department of Natural Resources to fund the installation of a food pulper at Hillcrest Dining Services. Hillcrest Dining Services is our second largest dining area on campus and serves about 3,200 meals a day to students and faculty. And the installation of the food pulper really addressed the post-consumer food waste that was coming out of the dining area. Up till now, the staff there had been diverting pre-consumer food waste, but the installation of the food pulper allowed them to really address the diversion of post-consumer food waste. So once the food pulper was installed, then student assistants and the staff were able to scrape the plates as they came back into the dish room. And that food waste goes into a food pulper where it's mixed with water and ground up. Then it's dewatered and compressed, and that cake is taken out to the Iowa City compost operation and composted. And just the installation of the food pulper alone allowed us to reduce food waste by about 66%. In addition, we saw some tremendous water use reductions with the installation of a new dish machine and the recycling of the water from the food pulper. And we're saving about 1 million to 1.5 million gallons a year just through those two operations. And then the director of food services at Hillcrest decided to go trayless in the dining area. The staff was washing about 4,000 trays a day and no longer doing that, saving even more water. And the interesting thing about going trayless is that it allowed students to really only take what they need when they go through the food line. The result of that was that the manager is really ordering less food in the first place, saving about 5% of his overall food budget per year, which equals about $100,000 in savings.